Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce at home. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients, like 1 to 2 pounds of chili peppers and 1 cup of vinegar. Next, we will prepare the peppers, deciding whether to deseed them for less heat. Then, we'll explore cooking or fermenting methods to develop rich flavors. Finally, we'll blend and bottle our delicious homemade creation. Choosing the right ingredients is crucial for a fantastic hot sauce. You will need about 1 to 2 pounds of your favorite fresh chili peppers, like fiery habaneros or milder jalapenos. For the liquid base, 1 cup of white or apple cider vinegar works perfectly, adding essential acidity and helping with preservation. Don't forget 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt to enhance the flavors, and feel free to add aromatics like garlic or onions. There are 2 main paths to preparing your peppers: cooking or fermenting. For a quicker sauce, simply simmer your peppers with the vinegar and salt for about 15 minutes until softened. If you prefer a deeper, more complex flavor, try fermentation. Combine your peppers with a 2% brine solution in a clean jar and let it ferment for 5 to 7 days. This method also introduces beneficial probiotics. Once your peppers are cooked or fermented, it's time to blend. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. For an extra silky sauce, push it through a fine mesh sieve. Taste and adjust the seasoning, perhaps adding a little more salt or a touch of sugar to balance the heat. Finally, pour your delicious homemade hot sauce into sterilized bottles and store it in the refrigerator for enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.